Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today once again I'm back with another recipe by my mother-in-law, traditional Kerala prawn curry. This is a simple curry recipe but slightly different from the one we usually make at home. And what makes it different you'll know from the ingredients list. So let's quickly check out the ingredients. The very first ingredient I would like to introduce of this recipe is jackfruit seeds. Yes, you all heard me right. The seed which we usually throw away after having the fruit. They have a lot of health benefits as well. They contain high level of starch, protein, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and also they contain both soluble and insoluble fibers. These seeds can be stored for 3 to 6 months as well in a dry place. So the next time you have a jackfruit, save the seeds for your next prawn curry. Now how to use them? It's very simple. First remove the outer shiny skin. Then using a knife, scrape away the brown skin just like we do with a potato. Then cut them in 2 or 3 pieces. We will require approximately 8 to 10 seeds here. Then we'll require 2 medium-sized tomatoes, 2 green chilies and some curry leaves. For tanginess, we'll be adding these amazing fruits called iron tamarind or Bilimbi. Traditionally, we call them irumbambuli. These fruits are very much similar to a star fruit. This is again a very health beneficial fruit. They are juicy and crunchy in consistency, rich source of antioxidants and helps to control blood pressure. We'll require approximately 12 to 14 of them. For making the coconut paste, we'll need half shell of grated coconut, 2 shallots, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder. Grind them into a fine paste. And finally, prawns. 500 grams approximately. Deshell and devein them and marinate with some salt, turmeric and chili powder for 15 minutes. Now let's move on to the cooking. Traditionally, we cook them in earthen pots. So here, take the coconut paste and some water enough for the gravy. And to it add some salt, along with the tomatoes, green chilies and the curry leaves. Now add the jackfruit seeds. Turn on the flame and let everything cook together until the seeds become soft. This will take approximately 20 to 25 minutes. Once they are done, add the iron tamarind and the prawns and cook everything on medium flame for another 10 minutes. That's all, the curry is ready. You can serve them as it is or even temper them with some coconut oil, mustard seeds, fenugreek, dry red chili and curry leaves and have them with some hot Aapams or rice. Hope you all enjoyed the recipe of traditional Kerala prawn curry. If you all have liked then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. See you all soon with another exciting recipe. Till then take care and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such easy recipes.